I am sitting in this place, in this path. Actually, it is the into the garden path. So some people maintain a garden. They are walking in here, and beside me have another path, and some plant are distribute in this all position. And I am very tired, so I am came here, and I am sitting in this path. Actually, I am sitting on the concrete, and some people they are waiting for ticket counter in over there. Actually, it's sunrise. This time is sunrise, and it's shining, glowing, shining. So this Thursday and hot day, quite hot summer. So I am just sitting here for relaxed mood, and it is this morning time. So this place are also empty, but some people they are maintain, they are working over there. But this place are secure place. Actually, if you are some clear some dangerous situation, they are catch you. Actually, in here lot of cameras is camera here in distribute here, and actually i i I see it, but my camera was not able to capture it. So some big tree in on my hand, and they are standing here, and some sun focus on my hand, and it is provide me sunshine, and I am some fresh air provide, and I am feel relaxed, and just I am very relaxable in here to sitting here. But something I will explain some place, but I am a beginner learner, so I can't properly explain any position, any place. So I need lot of learn, and when I will go my home, I will learn something, and I am just practicing my speaking English with you. And any position, any situation, I am just practice and describe some Bangla to English translation, and a lot of things. There's